Welcome to the Adults and Money family. We cover everything finance, investing, and making money. Screw intros and let's get into the video. But first, subscribe to join the Wealth family. When conducting stock research and analysis, your due diligence falls into two broad categories: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. The former examines a company's characteristics to arrive at a fair market value, while the latter focuses on price and volume activity in a stock to time your entry or exit. When conducting fundamental analysis, you use several tools to measure a company's health and financial performance, as well as making estimations about projecting the stock's performance in the future. You also want to consider the company's management, competitive advantages, competitors, and markets in which they operate. For technical analysis, this means measuring the activity and price actions seen in a stock. This studies market supply and demand, as well as using short and long-term stock signals to predict where a stock will go in the future. Both of these types of analysis get employed by useful stock investment research softwares, sites, and apps. When looking to make an informed investment with upside potential, you'll want to consult some useful investment sites to gather information and draw investment rationales. This means using trusted sources that gather information, news stories, data, and possibly investment recommendations. So, what are features of the best stock research app, tool, and site? 1. Comes at a fair price. Most stock research apps come with a free trial to demo the product and understand if the service is worth the eventual price you'll pay. Some services charge on a monthly basis, while others charge on an annual basis. If you choose only to rely on free services, you might get what you pay for: nothing. Premium services can quickly justify their price tags if they deliver stock research that allows you to outperform the market consistently. You should always purchase apps that meet your needs, but only pay the minimum price to do so. If you don't use the fancy add-ons and can't justify the price, you shouldn't subscribe to that tier if a lower one will do. 2. Provides trusted, transparent research. If you want to understand the stocks on the platform, you need to see the details provided by the stock research tools. The best stock research software and websites will provide actionable information for you to evaluate stocks and make an investment decision. This can include things like real-time data, stock analysis tools, and other resources. But it doesn't necessarily need to include such details. Instead, they can perform in-depth analysis and provide an investable narrative for why the stock should be in your portfolio. Regardless of the details provided, you should be able to trust the stock research and see dependable recommendations or information. 3. Uses fundamental and technical analysis. The former relies on the financial performance of a business, including how it manages its assets and liability, as well as how it utilizes them for growth. Technical analysis uses price action as an indicator for when you should buy or sell a stock. Both of these should combine to understand which stocks make the best choices for your portfolio now and into the future. 4. Multiple watch list and tracking tools. Proper stock analysis requires watching stocks for buy and sell signals. You'll need powerful watch list and tracking tools to do this. The best stock analysis apps allow you to track from a single window and utilize stock screeners, real-time data alerts and notifications, and more to inform your decision-making. 5. Provides relevant tools, educational resources, and customer support. Understanding the indicators, tools, and horsepower of your stock analysis app will make all the difference. That means you might need to brush up on some of the terminology or concepts covered with an analysis tool. The best stock analysis app will provide tools and educational resources to learn what you need and room to continue growing. Additionally, you'll also want responsive customer support if you have questions you can't answer by yourself. Having a dependable customer support system will make all the difference when you need help navigating something in the app. However, you don't necessarily need all of these to rank as one of the best investment resources, but they should provide a compelling value proposition. The following list of the most indispensable stock market research sites, software, and apps should help you to narrow down your search with reliable data. These softwares include: 1. Trade Ideas, best for swing and momentum traders. Trade Ideas employs an artificial intelligence-powered assistant named Holly. This AI becomes your virtual research analyst who never sleeps and instead sifts through technical, fundamentals, social media, earnings, and more values to pick stocks as real-time trade recommendations. She runs over 1 million simulated trades each night and morning before the markets open with more than 70 proprietary algorithms to find you the highest probability, risk-appropriate opportunities to invest in stocks. Trade Ideas doesn't stop there, though. You can use these trade ideas proposed in real time through a live simulated trading room. This allows you to demo the stock picking services ideas without risking your own money. The powerful service allows you to access real-time streaming trading ideas on simultaneous charts to learn how to trade into risk-reward balanced trades. You can invest and learn at the same time. So, based on previous stated qualities, where does Trade Ideas excel? Trade Ideas excels in not only giving you the data and ideas you haven't seen elsewhere, but also how to manage your money. The rules-based virtual trading room on every chart plays for both long-term investors as well as active traders. As the market evolves, Trade Ideas software transforms levels and the trading plan to match. You can learn how to do all of this without risking your principal through our real-time simulated trading environment. After you've grown comfortable with the service, you can choose to go live with the Trade Ideas and start investing real money by connecting directly through your preferred brokerage. Additionally, the service provides alerting services. You can receive price alerts through their standard and premium services, as well as by subscribing to the company's Alert Index newsletter. This gives you 5 new trade ideas in your inbox from the company's model portfolio every Sunday night. They also offer a free Trade of the Week newsletter highlighting a stock pick they have identified for subscribers. But you might argue finding stock picks and them winning are 2 different scenarios. So, how does Trade Ideas find stock picks? Trade Ideas technology uses a different scan each week to find unusual trade activity. For example, they may detect a high short interest percent in a stock or industry, which often leads to short squeezes, such as what happened with GameStop. Real people curate scan results before any recommendations come available through the service. You'll also learn how the service picked the trade, why they believe it will perform well, and how to find similar trades on your own. 2 million acres real estate winners, best for rate stock picking. It takes only a few minutes to find out whether you need million acres real estate winners as your real estate investing guide. The service focuses on understanding the fast-moving, ever-changing world of real estate investment and mobilizing you for success with valuable resources, recommendations, and picks. From the stock picking services, easy-to-understand monthly investment alerts that cover rates and real estate equities, or the quarterly investment ranking selections. Million Acres aims to simplify investing research and make clear-cut cases for why you might consider picks they recommend. They aim to cover obstacles encountered by savvy or beginner investors by making informed decisions clear and simple. You will receive clear, actionable investing ideas and recommendations along with specific guidance on getting started in today's market. The Million Acres Real Estate Winners Services offers these resources to subscribers. New stock recommendations each month you remain subscribed. Regular updates on recommended stocks following earnings and other important events. Quarterly Top 10 Investment Alerts, ranking real estate investment selections. Most importantly, you will receive monthly picks to help you succeed as well as educational content and resources to make sure you get the information you need when starting from scratch. With successful solutions created by experts in every facet of the business, Million Acres Real Estate Winners has helped investors grow their portfolios and take control of their financial future without costly mistakes or bad habits that lead to undoing all of your hard work.